Have you ever wondered how your wireless earbuds connect to your phone with no wires? How music moves from your phone to the speaker through the air? Or how you send files from one phone to another without cables? It feels like magic, right? But it's not magic. It's science, and that science is called Bluetooth. Today, let's open it up and see what's actually happening behind the scene in the simplest way possible. First, imagine this. You and your friend are in a room and you want to talk. You don't need a wire between your mouths. You just speak. Your voice travels through the air as sound waves. Your friends hear it. Bluetooth works almost the same way, but instead of sound waves, it uses radio waves. So, what is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a short-distance wireless technology. It allows devices to talk to each other without cables. Devices like phones, earbuds, speakers, keyboards, mouse, and smartwatches, all of them can communicate using Bluetooth. Now, let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is turning Bluetooth on. When you switch on Bluetooth on your phone wakes up a small chip inside. This chip is called the Bluetooth module. Think of it like a tiny radio station inside your phone. Its job is to send and receive signals. Step 2 is searching for nearby devices. When Bluetooth is on, your phone starts asking, "Hey, is there anyone around me?" It sends small radio signals into the air. These signals travel in all directions, just like shouting in a room. At the same time, your earbuds or speaker are also shouting back, I'm here." So both devices are talking and listening. When they hear each other, they find each other. That's how you see a list of nearby devices on your screen. Step 3 is pairing. This is very important. Pairing means two devices agreeing to connect only to each other. Think of it like becoming friends and exchanging phone numbers. Your phone asks, "Do you want to connect to this speaker?" You press yes. Now both devices create a secret code. This code keeps the communication private and secure. So strangers cannot connect to your device. Now comes the cool part. How does music actually travel? Let's say you press play on a song inside your phone. The music is not sound yet. It's digital data. Just ones and zeros. Like this. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Your Bluetooth chip takes this digital data and turns it into radio signals. Then it sends those signals into the air, very fast, millions of beats per second. Your speaker receives those signals, then it converts them back into sound. So the process of music is digital data, radio waves, speaker, then it becomes sound. All of these happen in less than a second. So fast you don't notice any delay. Crazy? Right. Now you might ask, why doesn't Bluetooth interfere with Wi-Fi? Because both use radio waves. Good question. Bluetooth is smart. It uses something called frequency hopping. Big word, but a simple idea. Instead of staying on one channel, Bluetooth jumps between many channels very fast, about 16,000 times every second. So if one channel is busy, it quickly jumps to another. This keeps the connection smooth, no noise, no interruption. Let's talk about distance. Bluetooth is not for long distances. It works best within 10 meters. That's like inside your house or one room. If you go too far, the signal becomes weak. Then your music starts cutting or disconnects completely. That's normal. Bluetooth is designed for short range only. For longer distances, we use Wi-Fi. Bluetooth also saves power. That's why your earbuds battery lasts many hours. It uses very little energy, much less than Wi-Fi. There is even something called Bluetooth Low Energy, also called BLE, used in smartwatches and trackers. This device can run for days or weeks because Bluetooth uses very small power. Let's look at some real-life example. When you connect your earbuds to your phone, Bluetooth sends music. When you use a wireless mouse, Bluetooth sends movement data. When you share files, Bluetooth sends file. So basically, Bluetooth is just a tiny wireless messenger. carrying information between devices. Now, why is it called Bluetooth? Strange name, right? It was named after an old Viking king called Harald Bluetooth. He united different tribes. So the technology was named Bluetooth because it unites devices together. Now, let's quickly summarize everything. When you turn on Bluetooth, your device sends signals. It finds nearby devices. They pair securely. Data turns into radio waves. Radio waves travel through the air. Other devices receive, turn back into sound or data. All happen in milliseconds. No wires needed. So, next time you use your wireless earbuds, or play music on your speaker, or connect a keyboard, remember, there is a tiny invisible conversation happening in the air around you. Devices talking, sending signals, jumping channels, sharing data, all thanks to Bluetooth. And that is how Bluetooth works. Simple, smart, and wireless. Thanks for listening and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.